DS. 200 students attend classes in English, German, or both. If 120 students among them attend English classes, how many students attend both English and German? Condition 1. A total of 70 students attend English only. Condition 2. A total of 130 students attend German. We will solve this DS question using the variable approach. DS. 3 variables and 2 equations. Question. Condition 1. 1 equation. Condition 2. 1 equation. DS question with 3 variables and 2 equations. This question shows how you can get the answer D based on the variable approach by setting 3 variables and 2 equations in the original condition, which requires 1 more equation. Making an equal number of equations and variables is the secret of the variable approach. This type of question frequently appears in the exam. You just need to remember that the answer is D because there are 3 variables and 2 equations. We know that each condition would usually give us an equation, and since we need 1 equation to match the number of variables and equations in the original condition, the equal number of equations and variables should logically lead to the answer D. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find the number of students who attend both English and German classes. If out of 200 students who attend at least one of the two, 120 attend English classes. Let's take a look at the number of students who attend only English, only German, and both to be E, G, and B. We can now draw a Venn diagram like the following. So, we know that E plus B equals 120, and E plus B plus G equals 200. And we have to find the value of B. Follow the second and third steps. From the original condition, we have 3 variables, E, B, and G, and 2 equations. E plus B equals 120, and E plus B plus G equals 200. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 1 more equation. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide 1 equation each, D is 60% likely to be the answer. Recall the 3 principles and choose D as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at each condition. Condition 1 tells us that E equals 70. Therefore, substitute 70 for E in E plus B equals 120 to get 70 plus B equals 120, or B equals 50. The answer is unique, so the condition is sufficient by the common mistake type 2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. Condition 2 tells us that B plus G equals 130. Therefore, substitute 130 for B plus G in E plus B plus G equals 200 to get E plus 130 equals 200, that is, E equals 70. This again will give us B as 50. The answer is unique, so the condition is sufficient by the common mistake type 2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. Also, according to tip 1, it is about 95% likely that D would be the answer when the value of condition 1 is equal to the value of condition 2. each condition alone is sufficient. This is a typical type of question that frequently appears on exams. Be sure to understand the answer is D because one more equation is required from the original condition, and condition 1 equals condition 2. This is the secret of the variable approach. So D is the correct answer.